For the purpose of this video, we're going to do some more testing on homemade solutions for your ultrasonic cleaner. I'm not going to take this movement apart. Again, this is just for the simple demonstration of a homemade solution. And this is what this movement looks like before. And I'm putting this movement in it also. So this is what this movement looks like before. I'm using simple green, acetone, and Dawn dish detergent liquid. My ultrasonic cleaner is about 3 gallons. I put a gallon of simple green in it, about a half a cup of acetone, a quarter of a cup of Dawn dish detergent, and fill the rest of it up with water. I got it set on 40 degrees Celsius. We're going to put it in there for 10 minutes and see what happens. So stand by for the results. Okay, here's the results. This is, again, simple green and water, which is about a 50-50 mixture, maybe a little bit more water than simple green. Acetone and Dawn dish detergent. About a quarter of a cup of acetone, half a cup of acetone and a quarter cup of Dawn dish detergent. As you can see, this movement that did have a bunch of rust on it only has just a little bit of rust left. And if I would have taken the movement apart, it would cleaned it up, it would taken away all the rust. And here's the other movement that I cleaned up. I cleaned up some movements the other day using this solution, and I really liked it. It did a really good job cleaning up the movements, getting them clean and making them shiny. I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.